she do?
Looked like she hit her head on it when she ran around, but maybe not.
Hi, Jackson.
Oh my god, he totally
Sarah,
went in
where's
there on his
Jackson?
own, didn't he? That was so cute. I wouldn't have even seen him.
I totally wouldn't have, except I started looking.
You have the girls right where you want them, Jackson.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
Where's Jackson? What was he doing? I know he's silly.
Sarah's gonna push the stroller right into it.
Sarah, stop.
Oh! Good catch, Addison.
It was a good catch.
Here comes Sarah.
What is Addison, or what is Jackson doing, Sarah?
Yeah.
That's a goldfish, right? Here are the girls.
Okay, Sarah.